Maglaro na nga. Kala ko naman kung ang haba eh. Tanga na mga dogos yan. Ingay.
I'm so glad it's almost over. Congratulations, sweetie.
Thank you.
I'll never understand why you chose such a macabre field.
There's nothing disturbing about it. It's just
but I'm proud of you. I really am.
Yes, good. Good mother.
You've come
Proud.
so far.
Good mother.
So, you haven't told me what's next. Will you get a job where you are, or...?
They actually have everyone they need. But my old teacher, Mr. Delver, transferred me to his office to finalize my internship there.
Oh, well, that's good. I remember you mentioning him. Where's he located? Are you moving away from me?
No, I'm not moving. He's actually located around here. Riverfields.
Oh, Rebecca. I don't like that.
Grandma,
Even I've heard things about that place.
Ano to, movie?
I'm worried
people
about you.
make up stories. Death is a scary thing to a lot of people. And we try to explain things we don't understand, and we want comfort when we lose someone we love. I mean, no one's embalming any ghost bodies or whatever. It's fine.
All right. I'm sorry. But I wanted to give you this anyway. So, here.
Wow.
I don't know if I want that.
Just take it, please.
Saka ng nanay to, Brandon. Mas mukha pang patay sa patay eh. Joke lang. Lakas talaga ng
Thanks.
polio.
All right.
Kilabot ako.
I'm so proud of you. When is all this happening? When do you start?
I've actually been there for a few weeks
Taylor Swift yan.
now. My review is
Malinaw na ba boses ko or masyadong malakas? Sucks lang. Thanks. Grabe si moderator. A Riverfields Mortuary. Tangina yan. Lalaki ako. Di ako sisigaw. Di ako natatakot sa mga gantong bagay.
all right. Here we go.
Gago, ba't kita ko pa ako? Weirdo. Hey, Rebecca, one last thing. I forgot to give to you. Please grab a pencil from my desk and sign. Thanks. From Zoe. PS. Good luck. Uy, putang ina, ang ganda ng details, oh. Kita mo yung sarili mo. Putang ina mo. Ang kalagyan ng picture dyan. Ina mo talaga, kakilawot. Ha? Okay. Po. Okay guys, thank you for watching. That's all. Ayan, buksan natin yung bintana.
Rebecca, great. Perfect timing.
Tambo.
I just finished with Mr. Dalton here. Please wheel him back to cold storage and bring...
Ito, gurney pala tawag ito. Shit me. Backwards, bawal harap. Bawal harap. Subukan mo lang magmulat. Weird. Oh my god, sorry po. face. Oh. Si Dorothy Page. Si Dorothy Page. '87 years old. Tanda na. Nice one. Siya sabi mo punyeta ka. Diba? What the fuck?
Sometimes we get chemicals that haven't been stored properly, and it can make them pop like that.
Na.
Just keep doing your thing. I'll get it.
Na. Wait.
Tell you what,
What?
why don't you go ahead and head out? I'll take over from here.
Are you sure? I just got here.
Don't worry. You're doing great. I'll get the last of your paperwork sorted today and
So,
call you in for your first
Fucking
shift.
weird, boy. Ano na naman tayo eh. Yan na naman yung mga horror na yung obvious na tapos umalis. So, pwede na umuwi.
Go ahead. It's fine. I'll give you a call when we get some.
Na, fuck you, bro. Alis talaga ako. Pumasok ako? Gantong kaga? Wala no? Eto na. Kisimula na.
Alright, guess I'll head to the back and get started.
Ba't ka gumanon? Tangina mo talaga. Nung bibisit ako sa picture na yan. Tangina.
Hi, Rebecca.
Mr. Delver, I need help. Someone's outside the
Putang
mortuary.
ina.
Just try to stay calm. I know you're scared. I'll unlock the door in a moment.
What?
This is very sudden, but listen to me. We have to start right away. I'm sorry.
Ano ko lang napansin. Fuck.
I didn't know until it made itself known this morning that it was here, let alone bound to you. I had no way of knowing the possession had started.
What? Look, this isn't funny. Stop.
You need to take this seriously. You need to act quickly.
This is insane. I'll just leave. I'll just fucking leave.
You can't leave, Rebecca. I can't allow that for you.
See?
Or for
Fucking
others.
horror
It's far
shit.
too dangerous.
What am I supposed to do then?
Most bodies I work with at night are fine. So we stay calm. Okay? We embalm, file the paperwork, everything. Treat it like a normal day. Staying focused will help. I left some things for you on the desk. I'll call again when you get to the embalming room.
No, wait. Damn it. What the fuck? This is insane.
Siya yun.
Okay. This is so stupid. Just some hazing for the new girl or something. Just
Tangina ng hazing.
play along and do your job.
Tape recorder. Hold key. Wait the fuck, I need that. Hold key. Nah. Oh my fucking god. Nah. Never do that again,
I'm
bro.
fucking quitting tomorrow. I mean, who does something like this?
All right, listen carefully.
Look, I'm sorry.
Wala,
but this
na I'm
entire
scared.
thing is extremely unprofessional.
Wala pa, Fargus.
If this
Sana
is how
wala.
you treat new hires, I don't think I can work for you. This isn't funny.
Rebecca, you don't have to believe me, but I hope you do before it's too late. The only way to save yourself is to banish the demon before you're too far gone. To do that, you will need to learn the demon's name, bind it to its chosen body, and burn it in the retort. Look, I know this is a lot to take in. I wish I could do more for you. I had years to learn what I know. You have
Weird
hours.
to.
I've recorded a number of cassettes to
Know the
instruct you
demon's name and
in
bind
the
it to
hope that
its
having
own
a
body.
physical object with a known message will help you stay grounded. I won't be calling again. You can't trust the phones. Anything can be manipulated. Listen to the tapes. Learn the demon's name. Burn the correct body. The most important thing in the room is in that cabinet. Open it up. Good luck, Rebecca. I'm
This
sorry
one?
This had to happen.
This one?
This is insane.
This one?
Whatever. Just be the professional one, grab a body, and get started.
This one? Speedrun.
searched. And most importantly, all the markings of the known demonic names. If you ever forget what to do,
Speedrun,
play these
speedrun.
tapes or look it up in the database.
Speedrun, 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 speedrun.
Camille, building.
Speedrun, speedrun, speedrun. Speedrun, speedrun, speedrun.
Shit out of me.
Speedrun, speedrun.
Partisan my personal belongings.
Austin Gincott, Twisted Herbals. Puta ka ng pangalan yan. No name. Nick Darlington. No name. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Shit, 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 shit. Where's the other tape? Ooh. Shit, 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 shit. Where's the other tape? Shit, shit. Nagpapanik agad, gago.
Weakening you.
Nah.
You are unable to redeem, and the body it's bound to. The only way I've learned to tell how far along a possession is on your own is to scribble on a piece of paper. Don't think about it. Just scribble. Look carefully. If you notice anything strange, it's starting to take hold. There's a notepad and a pencil on the desk in the front room. Checking from time to time can give an idea of how long you might have.
All right, let's check you out. I don't have my clipboard.
Ayun na.
At least I can keep track of things.
Okay. Austin Gincott, age 57. Okay, let's check your fucking arms. Okay. Let's protect. Nothing. Good, Gincott. Good, Gincott. Ini mo, gago ka.
Hello?
Nah! Putang ina mo, Gincott.
Nope, nope. New job. I'm getting out of here.
Legit, no job. Pwede ba? Nah, tapos natin to. Fuck. Okay, nipples, check. Good nipples. Oh,
Screw this. I'm getting back to work.
putang ina, sabay ganun. Oh, scratches, lagi. Nakikiliti siya, pre. Ay, oo, pre, sorry. Hindi ko na-expect makikiliti siya. Mukha naman. Pwede ba mukha i-examine? Oh my fucking god, you fucking ugly as fuck.
There we go.
Okay, enter marking itong computer. 57. Ito, right shoulder, meron. Right arm, meron. Left arm, meron. Submit. Submit. Left arm. Submit.
I
Pangit
need
naman
to
siya.
file the copy up front.
Fuck you. I know this. I know this. Let's speedrun, 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 speedrun,
Time to embalm.
speedrun, 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 speedrun. Tingnan natin kung makakaka pa dyan.
There we go.
Sunod ay insert eye caps. Wait, wait. Pax, pax. Wait, wait.
All right.
Okay, speedrun guys. Mix embalming fluid. Reagent in the old cabinet. Reagent? Ito? Embalming fluid. Ito. Ito. Kulang pa ako ng isa ay methanol. Ito. Nakita ko gumalaw kamay niya. Ito? Putang ina, ano to?
To banish furniture anywhere. The demon will inscribe its sigils over time to try and hide them, so check regularly. Once you get the sigils, use the night shift database.
Turn off the pump, remove the German incision. Pupinang ina, pupinang ina. Pupinang ina. Fill and empty. I will save it to it. Fill and empty. Ah, ito. Nah! Ah, hindi ko nga pa sasagutin yan. Don't trust. Don't trust phone calls. Para saan talaga yan?
There we go.
Why did you let me die?
Are you getting fucking blue? I'm a fucking fast run this.
I can't use that here.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah, fucking stress as fuck. Bro.
This is all your fault. I regret every second with you. Time is running out, Rebecca.
Legit, babalik ko na siya? Don't you fucking buhay ha? Fucking... Ay, matulog ka na lang dyan. Ang ina mo. Ibang tao. Ah, putang ina, kukuha nga ako ng ibang tao. Hindi ka titignan sa mukha. Oh, fuck. Ba't patay ilaw doon? Nah! I will open the light. Ina mo pa. Putang ina, ano yun? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? So, ulitin lang. Twisted Herbal. Si puta lang pangit ang pangalan. Let's check their legs. Check their legs. Nothing. Let's check their arms. There's a fucking rabies. Good. So check your fucking face. Fucking ugly as fuck. Ba't ka nakadila? Ba't ka nakadila? Ba't ka nakadila? Okay. There's a fucking... Pukuta ano yan? Blister. Check your left arm. Okay, good. I think, ay, yung katawan pala. Check your body. Ito. Yan, nunal. Enter to. Ah, kailangan 3 beses. Age, 90. Head. Oo nga, nunal nga, tama ako. Upper, left, arm. Yan, submit. Wait lang, may kulang akong isa. Ano yun?
There we go.
Ano? Taran bobo kayong dalawa. Naging OnlyFans pre. Wire the shot. Joe. Ano to? Boo! Boo! Oh.
There we go.
There you go. Fucking bitch. Insert eye caps. Okay, eye caps. Ay, eye caps yan? Hindi. Hindi nga ulit eye caps to. Ah! Fuck bro, fuck. Mulat. Insert. Tulog ka na boy.
All right.
Speedrun gago. Mix embalming fluid. Ito dito. Oh, pukin ang ina talaga oh. Weirdo. I make an incision. Sunod ay use forceps to clamp tubing.
Thing.
Oh, ba't naging ganito kulay ng screen? Sunod. Tangina, ba't ganito? Ano to? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Engage pump. Okay, ito. Join the pump. Nonchalant ako, guys. Kanina pa ako What the fuck? May tumulong dugo. The fuck? Patay ako? Sheesh!
What are you doing here?
Inang yan. Tang itong dalawa to eh. Inang. Mix cleaner tang. Galing na ako sa bathroom eh. Na! Putang ina na yun! Putang ina mo! Putang ina mo! Ina mo!
All right.
Oh! Tangina mo, sinasawin mo ba't ka? ba to? Si Nick Darlington. Last ko na siya, guys. At ang ina kaya... Ay. Okay, big. Pangina pag nag-blurry ganito yung pan... May mangyayari pag ganito eh. Nick Darlington, age 30. Fucking check your body. Okay, nice nipple, nice nipple. Okay, meron dito. Bigat mo, gago! What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, may kulugo. Okay, okay. Paa. Sa baho paa mo, okay. Kabila. Scratch, okay. Ang ina. May pasa. Nagawan.
There we go.
Anong there we go? Di mo man lang titignan yung wetness bit 23. Nick Darlington, age 30. Lagay mo naman kaya. Ano ang buhay mo? Insert eye caps. Tatapusin ko na nga to. Ayoko na maglaro. Wala tuloy akong marinig sa laro. Wait lang. Ayan, okay lang. Sira yung earbuds. Fuck, ano kayo ito? Lakas ng sound. 12 lang. Subukan mo kung salita gago ka. Patay ka nga lahat-lahat eh. Sige, subukan mo magsalita.
There we go.
Ang laki ng lips mo yun, oh. Sarap na. Moves. Okay. That's scary bro. Normal day in. At normal day lang to sa mga gantong bagay namin. Oh, nag-open up siya guys. May malaki pinagdadaanan kasi yung tao, ayun yung pakinggan. Tiyan mo, nilaslas yung tiyan niya. Tapos putang ina, namatay ilaw. Putang ina, yan guys. Ang ina nag-dominate. Wow! Kita, di ako magutla sa'yo. Ano ako, bobo? Kita. Ay, kita din kita. Ayun na, dalawa kayo. Oh, ano? Ang ina nyo ah. Fuck. Oh! Gago, naging white guy siya. I mean, wala pala. Let me in. Nah, bro. Dito, let me in, oh. Oh! You killed him. You threw away his love with your selfish sin. In his final moment, he regretted you. Ooh. Hampasin ko siya.
So sorry.
What a familiar voice. Be more comforting.
Hampasin mo!
Let me in, Rebecca. It will be okay.
Gago. Yan. Yan. Oh, naging black kulay siya. Gago. Yun. Ayun, pikit. Gago. Pipikit ka lang ah.
Alright.
Sarado nga bintana. Mamaya may pumasok yung puki na. Sunod, make an incision, scalpel. Wala akong pake. Buksan na natin yan. Tapusin na agad to. Gusto ko na kasi matulog.
I'm missing something.
Tang ina, ayoko na ng laro na to. Pangit pala. Up to 6 lang guys. Hindi ko kaya na malakas audio. Fuck this. Turn off the pump, remove the incision. Tang inang trabaho to. Pwede naman. Ayaw guys. Kaya tayo ni pampa. Oh shit! Oh shit! Dito. Fuck, ayoko nito. Putang ina. Putang ina, putang ina, putang ina. Oh, ano to? Hindi ako takot sa'yo, tol. Putang ina, takot ako sa'yo. Putang ina. Ito, pag... putang ina mo, putang ina mo. Pangit na mukha. Muna ka. Nakaka-stress. Fuck. Tang ina mo, dami mong issue. Oh, yan na naman tayo. Nagdi-delusion na naman tayo. Jumpscare, may nasa ako jumpscare.
There we go.
Mix cleaner in the bathroom. Ha 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 ha. Dumi na mukha mo. Legit, tapos na. Ba't nagsara to? Putang ina mo! Pre, di ko nalaman pangalan ng demonyo. Pre, di ko nalaman pangalan ng demonyo, pre. Ano mangyayari sa akin, pre? Ito mo! Ano sa clipboard? Tangina mo, bahala ka dyan. The fuck? Legit? The fuck? Legit? Oh, eto! I fucking see it already, bro. Number 9. Tapos... Shit. Ay, yung ano, logo ng Russia. Yun. Ito. Yung may guhit sa ilalim. Guhit sa ilalim. Ito. Sunod ay pin na may dalawang tuldok. Oh! Putang ina mo, oh! Oh, ang gago. Hawak yung clipboard, oh. Sige, tayo ka nga. Sino? Yung babae. Si Nick. Di ba ito yun? Yung ano bro, naging white. Tang ina nyo, tama yan ha. Oh my fucking god. Ah, putang ina. Mali ata par. Ah, putang ina na yan. Ay, tama!
Good morning. It's nice not to be the one down there for a change.
Raymond?
Uy, tama!
I suppose a first name basis isn't.
Gagong galing!
Did I make it? Is it over?
For now. It's never really over.
Gagong
Come a
galing
long
natin,
way.
guys.
It's a lot to learn.
I'm so glad I'm here.
Every night can be different.
Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
I think
Hindi
I'm
siya
fine.
nakakatakot. 10 out of 10.
Are you
Hindi
sure?
man ako nagutla.
You
Diba?
seem out of it.
Ayun o, may patunay ako. May nanonood.
Just
Di ba di ako nagutla?
waiting
Easy guys.
so long.
What? What are you? Oh,
Minanyak lang nila yung
Chose the
putang
wrong
ina mga
demon.
pasyente ko.
Rebecca.
Rebecca's not here, you fucking idiot!
What the fuck?
Worthless. Watch your flesh boil.
Mali!
Drink it as nuts from your pitiful frame. Worthless old shit.
Gago, mali tayo! Yan, di ko alam kung tapos na. Oh, easy as fuck. Like I told you, hindi nakakatakot. Nonchalant lang ako buong laro. Easy. Nonchalant lang ako buong laro. Di mo na ako nagutla. Wala akong facial expression. Sabay. Pinasaraan ko lang. Di ba? Guys, okay. Thank you for watching. Yun lang. So basic. Di na ako galaro ulit na ito.